let's just copy this. Okay, so format as table can be useful sometimes, but it makes it a bit automatic, which gives you less control. Okay, so let's choose this one. Also, you can confirm that this is the data for your table. So yes. And then it's created this whole new menu item up here, table design, where you can do all these things. You can, for instance, have your first column. See, then that changes that. Your last column, your total row. Oh, it adds a total row. So that would be if your data was the one above. So you can play around with that. So that really fast way of doing it. But it has a slight disadvantage that it adds these filter things in, which is okay if you want them. So for example here, you can click that and you can filter. So if you click the select all, I could just show Monday and Tuesday and then click on OK. So it gives you the capability of doing that. But I personally don't like that because now it's hidden all these rows, 16 to 17, and your spreadsheet just get a bit out of hand because now you've got all these hidden rows to remember. And you know, there might be something over on the next page which is quite useful. Some people really like this, but I personally am not a fan of this formatting as a table. So if you want to, first of all, let's get these hidden rows back. So you click there, left click select all, and there they are back. Now if you wanted to convert this to a normal, as a non-table, just as a range, you can select any cell on it and that selects the whole table. Then you can click there, convert to range. You want to convert it to a range, yes, and then your filters go away, but you still have this format that you created. So this could be actually a quick way if you needed to filter a massive spreadsheet in a hurry. This is actually a good way of doing it, and you can take off the filters there by clicking there and change to a range.